Hello everyone, myself Prashant Tyagi, legal intern from team LEXIS and Company. I hope you all guys are safe and healthy. I hope you liked my previous video. Please like, share, comment on my videos and subscribe our channel to get latest updates. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about the ban on Chinese apps in India. In this video, I am going to discuss the ban, why this ban is necessary, what is the impact of ban in China and in India, and also the conclusion of this video. So let's start our video. Ban on Chinese apps is the most important step taken by Indian government towards the privacy of the nation, which also helps country entrepreneurs to enhance themselves a lot. If we talk about the foreign policy of India, the relations of neighboring countries, namely India and China and Pakistan, takes first place in our mind. We hear news from time to time about the deals regarding trade with countries, but besides that, the Indo-China relations are always been in the headlines due to the territorial disputes. The ban. What consists the ban? On 29th June 2020, India banned 59 Chinese apps and under Section 69A of the IT Act, the famous TikTok app was also banned as by reasoning that it is threat to national security and has caused disturbance in one's personal privacy. The government issued an explanation that these apps are illegally exported data to locations outside India to other neighboring countries. It didn't mention the relation of apps with China, but these apps are mostly have an origin in China or have a major part of the investment from companies situated in China, or we can say that apps are Chinese apps. Why this ban is necessary? India may be the first country to ban Chinese app, but it is not first one to raise concern about the privacy and security. The Ministry of Information and Technology has received many complaints from various sources, including several reports about misuse of some mobile apps available on Android and iOS platforms for stealing and private data in an unauthorized manner to servers, and that of being checked when have locations outside India, the government said in the statement. The complication of these data, its minding and profiling by elements hostile to national security and defense of India, which ultimately have a deep impact upon the sovereignty and integrity of India. It is a matter of very deep and immediate concern which requires emergency measures. That was the major reason why the government has decided to disallow the usage of certain apps using the both mobile and non-mobile internet enabled devices. It said. Government spokesperson said that Google's Play Store and Apple's App Store have been directed to remove the apps. The main reason to ban these Chinese apps is the data security reason. India's Ministry of Information Technology has said the ban was result of many complaints from various sources about apps that were stealing and transmitting users' data in an unauthorized manner. Many of the Chinese apps have been linked to controversies over data privacy and have been accused of sharing sensitive information with the Chinese government. US senators have been called for an investigation into TikTok, which fiercely rejects such claims. Now we discuss the impact of ban of Chinese apps in India and in China. In India, what is the impact? There was a very positive impact which was clearly visible among the Indian crowd. Enhancement of Indian apps was found a lot. If we take example of a gaming app named PUBG, it is mostly used by Indian, but when is banned is giving advantage to other gaming apps of India. In China, what is the impact? China is the India's largest trade partner after US, and our dependence on China extends well beyond the technical space. The app ban will certainly have an impact on the holding of companies. For example, if we can take an example of world famous app TikTok. When it comes to TikTok, 30% of the total population using this entertainment apps comes from India, and this naturally harms its parent company. The impact of Chinese economy will be obviously negative, but as we know, we can predict other nation economy as an exact. Now we discuss about the conclusion of the ban on Chinese apps. There is a huge step taken by the Indian government to make India an independent country to promote vocal for local and make in India programs which were initiated to make India a self-reliant country which was dependent on Chinese for the most of its things. This step was taken from after an intensive investigation by the ministry. Apart from Indian countries like Australia, Germany, the United Kingdom, and also United States of America have also raised privacy and security concerns with Chinese apps and adopted strictly cyber security protocol for protection. This step will help Indian companies and startups to make new customers and increase its user base. Many Indian companies have already started working to build alternatives for the banned apps. This will also help in development of IT sector in the country. The main aim of the Chinese apps were to keep critical data of the users safe within the Indian borders. The Reserve Bank of India convinced many companies like Paytm, WhatsApp, Google to set up their cloud storage databases in India so that the data can be kept within Indian borders only, which was earlier being stored outside in the cloud databases. This move will bring Indian a more investment to data centers in India. India is in need of proper data protection law so that next time someone will have to think twice before misusing the data of the users of the India. The Personal Data Protection Bill 2019 was first step taken by the Indian government to domestically legislate on the issue of data protection. Thus, the ban on the Chinese apps have brought into light many issues about data privacy and securities. Being a responsible citizen of India, we should all stop using these apps and support the decision of our government and make India a stronger country both economically and politically. I hope you understand the concept of ban of Chinese apps in India. Please like, share, comment on all the videos and subscribe our channel for getting latest updates. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay tuned. Have a nice day.